Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back. Look, there's a tree right here.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Got my kids out here in the Latrax Alias.
That's me, Idris, Adam, and Imani.
So. Okay guys, y'all had y'all intro.
This is bad.
So I got a huge 800 milliamp hour battery in here. Let's see, what mode am I in? Okay, I'm in sport mode now. 800 milliamp hour pack in here. Check out the moon up there, guys. Do some flips.
Go up.
Oh, I put it in Acro mode again by mistake. I wonder why it went upside down and tried to flip again. I'm like, what's going on? Let's go back. Okay, there we go. Sheesh. I be forgetting. I thought I put the right shoulder button to flips on this guy. I thought it was. Let me try it again. Oh, it is. Maybe I just unknowingly hit that stick. When you press the stick, the right stick in, guys, it puts it in the different flight modes. And so I'm thinking that's what happened. This thing flips diagonally, maybe a little better than the 8 does. Because it's so smooth and easy to do. Check it out. Wow, the sun is blinding, man. Check this guy out. Ew. Ew. Forgot about the sun over there. Just flying this thing crazy. Let me do a little acro with it. I'm in acro mode now. A little loop with it. This thing is super fun to fly in acro mode. Not much worry about crashing it. That's the beauty of these toy grade or brushed motor quads. Not too much stress with flying them. Not worried about really damaging anything. Woo! Did my funnels a little too deep there. Front flip. Loop, power loop. Uh-oh. It's trying to go down on me. Oh man, won't let me do no flips. Oh, I forgot I'm in acro mode. Can't do flips in acro. Oh, it won't let me do any flips at all. Ah, no flips, man. And it's crying to be landed. The Latrax Alias, guys. 850 milliamp hour GMB pack. High voltage. Thanks for watching.